How to change email on Ring app. Let's get started. Launch your Ring app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on it. Then navigate to the option of account settings. Now head over to the option of email. Now go ahead and click on the option of update for the email. First up, you will need to verify your identity. So go ahead and type in your password and then click on continue. Once verified, you will be receiving code in your phone number. You have to type in that code over here and then click on verify code. Now type in new email address for your account. After you type in the new email address, click on change email. And just for that, your email address has been changed. Now you can click on sign in. Now go ahead and type in your new email address. After you type in, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. Then click on sign in. And just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily change email on Ring app. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.